What do you need when tasks are really important? Project management. Here is how you can create tasks on a project. First, go to Projects. You can see here I have a project for new member onboardings. Now, in this webinar row, I want to assign myself a task so that I remember to do this. At the end of the row, I'll select the Tasks button. On this side panel, you can create your task. So I'll write myself the task of setting up a Zoom event in SwiftFox. Write the date and time and select Add Me. Great, this task is now assigned to me. I can also adjust who can see and edit this task here if I want to. Hit Save to finish. Now I can see this task in my task list and on the project board. No excuses. Let's create a task for a team on a project board. Send invites is listed as a project row. This is definitely a big team task, so I will click here, then I'll write Organize Webinar Invite List, add the date and select Team. Here I'll add Comms Team. Again, I can adjust the sharing permissions, but I'm going to leave everything clear and visible. Then I'll select Save. And once my task is complete, I can select Done in my task list here, or I can tick it off in the project board. Either way, it will result in one nice tick in my project. And that's project management in SwiftFox.